One quick thing, you said you got a demo here in a couple minutes. The first thing out of your mouth needs to be super excited. I've got some great ideas on this demo. I'm so glad we could all be here. But before I jump into anything, Steve, Brenda, team, if it's a group one, what's the most important thing we need to accomplish during our time here today? You have to ask that at the beginning of the demo. It's going to set yourself apart, and there is too much freaking buzzwords being used. Man, I got a hard stop. We need to be like, let's cut through all the crap and just ask them at the beginning. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish? The CIO might step in and go, hey, we're going with you, Jacob. I just need to know if you're Sarbanes-Oxley compliant. To which you're going to go, when you say Sarbanes-Oxley, can you give me a specific example, right, of why that's important to you? And then you might be able to skip the damn demo altogether, right? It's straight out of the portal. I literally used to high-five people all the time, and they'd be like, what the hell just happened? How did you get the contract? It was only 20 minutes. And what I wouldn't tell them was, I was like, I'm magic. I wasn't magic. I just asked them what the most important thing we need to accomplish. And I avoided all the freaking landmines, right? Because if I go through a demo without knowing what's important to them, the chances of me, and I'm going to date myself, but back when I used to sell really expensive software, I was like, every button, there's some C4, there's a landmine on one of those buttons. You just don't know what it is. You're going to press it, server's going to be down, the cloud's not going to be, and boom, your whole deal's going to blow up. Like, you don't want to do too much demoing, because Murphy's Law is they're going to misinterpret something. They're going to see something that's going to open them up to other questions. It's going to confuse the hell out of them. So anytime you're getting ready to start a demo, what's the most important thing we need to accomplish during our time together? It shows that your time's valuable, theirs time's valuable. It shows that you're on point. They're going to be like, that guy's the best. Do that. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.